So when you have this pair, you usually rotate and then solve it into the front. But there's actually a really cool way to solve it from this angle, from the back, which is F, R, U, R to prime, U prime, R, F prime. So, as I got. You can also solve it like this, but I think this way is also quite nice. So you can choose between either one. So F, and it sets it up into this pair, R, U, R to prime, U prime, R, F prime, or wide R, U2, R to prime, U prime, R2, U prime, R. You can also set this case up into a lot of multi-slots, which will get you free pairs. So first we have this case where, you're going to solve this first, and it actually preserves this free pair. So instead of solving it like this and getting this case, which isn't bad, but, a free pair is much better, you F, solve the pair, F prime, and then you see you get this free pair, which is preserved. Next, you have this case where the multi-slot is with this pair again, and then you have this case here where it would be, you solve it like this into the front, or you'd solve this pair first. And it's not bad, but again, free pairs are much cooler. So you do the alg, and you get a 3-mover, which is much better than the other pair you'd get. Then you have this one, which is a bit harder to notice, but you have this case where the edges here and the corners over here with this white sticker facing over there. Well, and normally you'd solve it like this. Pair up, insert, or you do that. But, if you just do F, R, U, R to prime, U, R prime, you get a free pair.